Defense is starting from a strong place, but there is more we are going to do. There are 4 common growth drivers across our whole defense portfolio. We have growth, both in terms of volume and mix, as we move from legacy programs to new funded programs. Secondly, we are benefiting from the same focus on commercial excellence as other parts of the Rolls-Royce business. Thirdly, we are prioritizing investment. And finally, we have the benefits of our drive for efficiency and simplification. All these drivers are at play in the transport and patrol market. Globally, transport and patrol will see 26% of market share open by 2050 as new programs come online, creating a £45 billion opportunity. Rolls-Royce is very well positioned to capture a significant portion of these emerging opportunities. Today, we occupy between 25 and 30% of the global transport and patrol market, mostly through mature, in-service products with strong growth prospects in the medium to long term. We hold market-leading positions in the tactical transport, future vertical lift, and autonomous platform subsegments. We continue to see strong momentum in this important market with the U.S. Army's selection for the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft, FLRAA. Partnered with Bell and the U.S. Army, we are excited to power FLRAA with our AE1107F engine, providing a low-risk, ready-now propulsion solution with best-in-class capabilities. The FLRAA platform will provide twice the range and speed for the U.S. Army when compared with the existing Black Hawk capabilities. For Rolls-Royce, this creates a strong position from which to capture additional future vertical lift opportunities, not only for the U.S. Army, but also for U.S. Marine Corps and U.S. Navy variants. This subsegment alone will create over £15 billion in new market opportunities by 2050. Beyond FLRAA, our experience and advanced technologies in transport and patrol mean we are well positioned to capture and deliver many emerging future modernization programs. Our AE engine product family and differentiated expertise in this segment position us to address a large portion of the market opportunity. This will enable us to grow market share over the medium to long term. The AE engine family is our foundation and will continue to play a significant role in the future of Rolls-Royce defense engines. With over 7,500 engines in service and more than 85 million flight hours over the past 3 decades, the AE product family shares an engine core that is over 80% common in their manufacture with proven dual-use turboshaft, turboprop, and turbofan variants. Our approach to leverage the AE product family, modifying and inserting technology to the off-the-shelf core, will continue to position us to deliver a differentiated value proposition to our military and commercial customers, allowing them to field much-needed capabilities faster, cheaper, and with lower risk than other options. For turboshafts, the AE1107C has surpassed 1.4 million flight hours on the V-22 Osprey, with over 2 decades in service. The AE1107F, a close relative of the AE1107C, will continue to leverage this capability and expertise for decades to come on the U.S. Army Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft. Our turboprop engines power all models of the C-130 aircraft, giving us a market-leading position in the tactical transport segment. In addition to servicing existing C-130 operators, we are well placed to support the U.S. Department of Defense for their future tactical transport needs. The tactical transport subsegment represents roughly 20% of total transport and patrol market share, with a nearly £6 billion opportunity by 2050. For military turbofans, variants of the AE3007 power the U.S. Air Force RQ-4 Global Hawk, U.S. Navy MQ-4C Triton, and MQ-25 Stingray aircraft. Rolls-Royce continues to be very well placed for emerging U.S. Air Force, U.S. Navy, and U.S. Marine Corps autonomous platforms, positioning us well for additional market growth opportunities in these very important subsegments. Transport and patrol is a strategically important market for Rolls-Royce. We are very well positioned on mature in-service platforms and have recently been selected to power FLRAA, a generational program and one we expect will lead to significant additional future global growth opportunities across all services of the U.S. military as well as internationally. We are in a strong position today, and looking into the 2030s, new growth from the recent major wins will start to have a more substantial impact on our financial performance.